Hello, it's me. And today I'll be telling you about my new laptop. So today I got a laptop, and that's one toaster, and swag is all out. That's my pistol. You'll get it from Nexon. And this for characters. So anyway.
Were you talking to me this whole time?
Huh?
Were you talking to me this whole time?
No, I was making a YouTube video. Yeah, so my brother got done. Well, my brother and I got done playing Garry's Mod earlier, and this guy, he opened up the cell and he killed me. So I typed in new AWOL, and then I left the game so I wouldn't get banned. And then I made Zachary stop playing. Then now we're gonna play Minecraft, but he has to get the video software ready for when we make our YouTube video later. So, do you have anything to say, Zachary? You have anything to say? Okay, I guess he doesn't. Well, here goes some help from me to support you. See his lips. Them lips look blue. Okay, machines. Laura. Okay. There will be more of these. I'll be playing Dead Island all night with my friends. And I think this guy will be doing some Minecraft stuff.
Yep, I'll be doing speed builds and a let's play.
And I'll be in them. I'll be the Steve. And that's about it. I mean, that's enough. It's pretty good. Bye.